So I have a problem. I literally ran out of all my skincare products. We're fully restocking this today because this is completely unacceptable. Even the backups to my backups are all out. So we need to fix this issue. Let me get dressed and we'll head to Target. Surprisingly, all the bubble is super restocked. It's usually empty. And I need this one as well. For moisturizer, they only have the gel cream. I'm going to pick up the gel cream. I should get a basket. Oh my gosh. I need the balancing face mist. I love this stuff. It was hiding back here, but everything kind of looks the same. They even have a ton of the collagen mask, my favorite, so I'm gonna pick up another one. I found the Korean skincare section, and look, they have my vitamin C and my ampules, so let me get that. They also have Brown Lab. They have quite a few stuff here. I got my vitamin C. Let me know if you guys have used these clean towels. Everyone talks about them, but I'm like $18 for 50. Bye. Well, what if they're really good? They have a bunch of elf and little charms. I know I'm doing a skincare restock, but I want to try this so bad. I saw it on TikTok. It's a fluffed eyebrow, like pencil pen. Oh, I think I would be this color, but they have so many shades. Okay, let's go home now. It's been quite a few days. I did not film when I got back from Target. My camera died. I had to walk my dog, and then I wanted to film the next day, but I had work, and then days went by. But I wanted to kind of go into detail with the things that I restocked, why I restocked them, and how I use them in my skincare routine. Girls, I even have new nails on. Tell me what you guys think about this color. It's like a teal baby blue. I don't know. So the first item that I restocked was the Byoma Balancing Face Mist. This one is my new one, and this is my old one. I freaking love this face mist. It is like really hydrating, but it doesn't leave you greasy. I like applying this before I put on my skincare. I love applying my skincare when my face is damp. I don't know, I just feel like it just helps with like hydration, and it's very mild. This says that it like helps soothe your skin. This lasted me such a long time. I think like 6 months, and I use it every single day, so that's like a lot. I don't remember how much this retailed for, but I'll put the price here on the screen, and I'll list all the products that I show you guys in this video down in the description box. Another Byoma product that I restocked is their Hydrating Milky Toner. So this is my empty one, and this is a new one right here. It kind of looks like it opened a little bit. This really like hydrates my skin. For a really long time I stopped using toner because my skin would literally burn. I think it was the toners that I was using, they were not good. I had so much redness, and every time I put on toner my skin felt like it was on fire, so I stopped using toner for years. And then I slowly started incorporating a toner back into my routine, and this is a milky toner. It's super lightweight. I like that it doesn't like make my skin greasy. This toner does not break me out. It does not burn my skin whatsoever. It's super lightweight. It's more of like a thinner formula. I feel like so many other milky toners can be like really thick. This is not like that. I did not realize how many Byoma products I used in my skincare routine till like right now. I feel like every product I'm showing you is basically Byoma. The product that I was not able to restock was this. This is the Hydrating Milky Moisturizer. It's an Ulta exclusive, so they don't have that at Target, but I did pick up the moisturizing gel cream. I tried this product out in a mini and I bought it full size. So this is a moisturizing gel cream. It has that like gel consistency. It's not like a creamy moisturizer. It's hydrating, but it's really, really thin. And with summer coming up, actually I think it's summer already, I like moisturizers like this because it just hydrates and it balances my skin. I feel that this is like really nourishing for me. I have really, really oily skin, so I don't want something that feels like my pores are getting clogged. I feel like this nourishes my skin and it feels like very lightweight. And I don't know why, but every time I use this, my skin feels like really, really soft. I don't know how to explain it, but I purchased the big size. I'll probably go back and try to get the Milky toner when I finish this one from Ulta. This is another moisturizer that I didn't get to restock. I don't think they sell this brand at Target. I've repurchased this moisturizer so many times. So when I'm done with that Byoma one, I'll restock this one and the Milky moisturizer. But this is a Korean skincare brand. It's such a good moisturizer. I've been using this for like, I don't know, 3 years, and I use it on and off. But this is my tried and true moisturizer. It never fails me, and they have different versions of this. Like if you have really, really dry skin, rosacea, things like that, there's different moisturizers. Because I have oily skin, I go ahead and use this one. It does not contain any pore clogging ingredients. Brand is so tea, I'm not even kidding. I use their foaming face wash that I'm also out of, but I still have my other face wash, so I'm like, okay, like I don't need like 50 million skincare products. I'm going to use one, finish one, and then we'll repurchase. This is another product that I did not get to restock at Target either because they don't sell a new one there. They sell it at Ulta, and I was gonna go, but I'm like, you know what, no, I've already spent enough money. Let me finish all the skincare that I do have at home, because I'm just showing you guys what I'm restocking, but I have other skincare items that I do use. This serum, it was my first time using it, and I will be repurchasing it. I don't know when, but I do really, really like it. It's like very soothing, so if you have a lot of redness, you might want to check this out. But I'll restock it soon. My empty Milky toner and my new one. It's crazy because I kept the packaging for this. I don't know why, but I love packaging. I could have a product for like months and I'll keep the packaging. I was in serious need of a restock for this product. This is a Hydrating Milky Toner by Bubble. This toner is thicker than the Byoma one. It is a little bit more milky, a little bit more nourishing, but it does not clog your pores, at least for me. I've tried other Milky toners that are similar to this, and I broke out. My skin got like a little bit of a rash by where my cheeks are. It was so bad. I was so pissed because the toner that I tried was like super popular, and I was kind of hesitant on trying this product right here. But I used it like on one side of my face, I think, and I saw a little bit of a difference, so then I started using it more and I fell in love right away. Next item that I restocked is my ampule. This is so gentle and hydrating. It's really lightweight. This contains ceramides and it helps with like your skin's elasticity. I like using this before I go in with my moisturizer. I don't use this product every single day. My skincare routine kind of changes depending on like my skin that week. If I feel that my skin needs a little bit more hydration, if I've been wearing a little bit more makeup, if I want to have a self-care day, I'll use like more skincare products on my skin than usual and do like a wrapping mask. It just kind of depends. But this right here I have used for so long. This is one of the first brands that I started using when I got into Korean skincare. So if you guys are looking for a good skin ampule, I recommend this one. Last item that I restocked is this Byoma Bio Collagen Radiance Facial Mask. This is insane. So if you want glass skin in like 20 minutes, you need this face mask. I don't know what they put in here. It's like baby pink. Oh, I don't know what they put in this, but you get instant glass skin. So like if you have an event, you have a date, I don't know, you're going somewhere or you're having a self-care spa day at your house and you want your skin to like be glowing, okay, you need to try this. Just put it on for like 20-30 minutes and instantly you peel it off. So it's like one of those face masks that turn kind of into like a sheet mask in a way, and you just peel it off and your skin is glowing, okay? It's like glistening, so good. So I restocked this. I believe it retails for like $16 for glass skin. That was it for this skincare restock video. I have not filmed. I know I've been slacking so much. It's because y'all, I work a lot, and yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys have any like skincare product recommendations, let me know. Or if you guys want to try anything that I shared with y'all today, please do so and let me know if you like it. You do not need to spend all your money on like skincare, makeup to have a good established routine. You can literally get really good skincare at an affordable price at the drugstore, Amazon, Ulta, like wherever you guys shop. You can curate a good skincare routine without breaking the bank, and I feel like I really like to show that through my channel because consumerism is alive and well. But I do use everything that I purchase, and you guys can see from like the video, I think I restocked my makeup in like one of my previous videos, but I use everything. So don't let people make you feel bad for spending your money on like personal care, self-care. If you're using it and it makes you happy, then go ahead and keep spending your money. But yes, that's basically all for today's video. What? Oh, they said don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and that they'll see you on the next video.